Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. Today we will talk about how to fix mechanical keyboard keys that are not responding. Let's start. First of all, check the connection. Make sure the keyboard is securely connected to your computer. You can try using different USB ports to rule out port issues. Then, clean the keyboard. Turn off or unplug the keyboard. Remove the keycap of unresponsive key using a keycap puller. Then use compressed air to blow out debris from the switch. If required, clean the switch with a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol. Then update or reinstall drivers. You can visit manufacturer website to download the latest drivers. Uninstall current drivers and reinstall the updated ones. Then test on another device. You can connect the keyboard to a different computer to determine if the problem persists. Finally, you can replace faulty switches. If a specific key remains unresponsive, the switch may be defective. Consider replacing the faulty switch or contacting the manufacturer for support. You must note, if the keyboard is under warranty, contact the manufacturer for assistance before attempting repairs. Thank you.